weighted pull-ups or machine-assisted pull-up,
Weighted pull-ups.
seated cable row or barbell bent over row,
Seated cable row.
T-bar row or single-arm dumbbell row,
T-bar row.
inverted row or chest-supported dumbbell row,
Chest-supported dumbbell row.
wide grip lat pull-down or reverse grip lat pull-down,
Wide grip lat pull down.
straight arm pull-down or face pull,
Face pull.
deadlift or plate loaded row,
Deadlift.
reverse grip barbell row or single arm high cable row,
Single arm high cable row.
weighted pull-ups or seated cable row,
Weighted pull-ups.
T-bar row or chest supported dumbbell row,
T-bar row.
wide grip lat pull down or face pull,
Wide grip lat pull down.
deadlift or single arm high cable row,
Single arm high cable row.
weighted pull-ups or T-bar row,
Weighted pull-ups.
wide grip lat pull down or single arm high cable row,
Wide grip lat pull down.
weighted pull-ups or wide grip lat pull down.
Both are good pero wide grip lat pull down.